Wow, look delicious.
I can smell it.
Yeah, this one and a frog.
Frog.
Yeah.
Big frog. Wow.
Big frog. And then pork inside.
Pork inside.
Chicken, Cambodian chicken.
Cambodian chicken.
Yeah, this one and seafood. Like oyster, but I don't know name, but Cambodian không yêu. Swim in oyster something.
Big. Oh, these oysters are big too.
Yeah,
Look at.
big oyster.
Wow. And then they make open.
Inside chicken. Egg and like inside chicken. Look delicious.
Intestines. That's pretty good. I think I'll pass on that.
Oh, the name is chicken man.
Oh. Make sure I know.
For one, like 3,000 real for one.
75 cents.
Yeah, wow.
You get some chicken intestines, guys, for 75 cents. Of course, they'll make it on the barbecue too for you. That makes it extra special. I'm still gonna pass.
I take this one. Anh ấy vô ta đã ăn tiếp được mua giang mày ổn. Okay.
I got some wieners laying out there too, huh?
Yeah. And then pea. So, honey, what do you want to?
Some chicken's good. Chicken and rice, yeah, spicy.
Chicken and rice. Okay.
Here's where they make all the magic. Just put it on the Barbie. Oh ho, look at that, guys. Ho ho, delicious.
Oh.
Something keeps popping. Hope it's not the electricity. All right. What is this here?
Egg. You have the baby inside.
Baby's inside, okay.
Yeah, now I eat egg again. Yeah. Lucky for me today.
Yeah, lucky lady. Now what is all this here?
And beef inside.
Beef. Inside. Okay, the stomach. That's the cow stomach right there, the lining. They steam it up, and I think they put it on some rice or something even. So yeah.
I think maybe for you can go look in the menu.
Look at the menu. Okay. The badang menu, guys. I got a badang menu. Honey, a couple cabbagias, yeah.
Okay.
Or if they got crud, I think crud's more yucky, or yucky. Oh, it's cruddy. But no, it's more lucky than the Cambodia. The Cambodia lately, they just gotten stingy on the freebies. So, although I did get 6 free cans the other day, which is nice. But yeah, look at this, guys. We got ourselves a nice little hammock. I mean, oh my goodness. We're gonna relax for a little bit, have some good dinner. The irony of this all is, guys, we haven't really found anything yet for the New Year's. But check out this view here. It's really getting busy out here on 60 Road. Check this out. And by the way, I don't know if you can see in the video, the bats in Cambodia, they come out about this time of night. They're flying everywhere. Everywhere you go in Cambodia, it's a nightly event. But look at these guys. These little brown bats are flying around here. I don't know if you guys can see those in the camera. There's a few over there. They're everywhere. If you look close. Sometimes I hate GoPro because there's no zoom. Yeah. Linda's gonna wrap up the order in here. We're gonna sit down and have ourselves a little road food here. You guys remember in the video, we'll leave a link right here that we did the other day at the market. And this is called Num Kro. Yeah, the yummies. I'm gonna try it. We saw some earlier the lady was making and we buy, and now here we are. I'm gonna give it a shot here and see how it goes. Sweet deliciousness. Oh my goodness. How did I live all my life without this? Wow. This is dangerous. They're so delicious. I could eat these all day, all night. It's the soft gooiness of the coconut bread and the sugar and the sweet. And the little onions. Oh my God. And then they give this little beautiful sauce here. It's like a sweet spicy. Oh my God. Can this be my dinner? Yeah. Oh. Thank you, Buddha. Hot. One thing I'm still getting used to, everyone, is hot beer, or warm beer, I should say. A lot of places, if they don't have like a cooler, especially at some of these roadside stands, a lot of them will have these big orange tubs like over there. And they'll put like big blocks of ice to keep everything cool, but sometimes they don't do that, and they just give you a cup of ice and expect you to pour the hot beer over, which is fine and dandy if you're going to drink it quick, but I'm still getting warmed up to the whole ice and beer combination, because never before have I had that, but here it's pretty commonplace. So if you come to Cambodia and they give you a warm beer, you're going to have to ask for a cup of ice to drink. But at 50 cents, who's complaining? Let's see what Linda's got herself into here. I see a little smile on her face. She's got her favorite. What is this?
And seafood, but Cambodia call nghêu, but I don't know English how to say.
Yeah, like a mussel.
Yeah, something.
Are they spicy?
Yeah, it's the black, this one with the lemon.
Are you just opening it right up?
Look, chalacha, like this one.
Whoa.
Very good and amazing.
Maybe I'll try one.
You try one?
I raised my daughter, try everything once, and I'd be a hypocrite if daughter, if you're listening, love you, dad misses you, but now I'm gonna go by my own rule here. Try everything once. Let's try these little mussels out here. Just a quick backstory. When I was young, we'd go to like the dirty rivers in America, and we'd fish them out of the bottom there. We thought they were so cool, but we never thought about eating them. So let's try this out here, guys. Okay, so is this got spicy? A sprinkle on it?
Yeah, and lemon and
okay. So it's like when you do the beef, you dip it in, and then you same, yeah, but with a little mussel there. Okay, let's give it a shot here. Oh, where's that beer when you need it? It's not bad. It's slimy. I'll say that. It's cooked, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cooked, so it's not raw. At least it's got like, I don't know how to say it. Like
power.
She said maybe have power.
Make your power.
It's got like a bottom fish kind of tone to it. I don't know how to say. But it's not bad actually. I definitely see why they like, because you can, if you put the spicy and the salt, the pepper, the garlic combination, it does make it rather tasty. But I don't think I could eat it without it unless I was abandoned on an island somewhere maybe. But let's hope that never happens. So Linda's intestines, chicken intestines, and my Cambodia chicken, they're very, very small here. In America, all the chickens are injected with hormones and just big body, and here they're real petite and small, the chickens, but they're super cheap too. But they're all natural. They literally just roam the ground and eat whatever they can get. So chicken's rather tasty here. But yeah, we're waiting for the rice. We're gonna make it spicy, but look at this here real quick, guys. Look at this. Oh. Straight off the old Barbie. Then we got the rice. So what Linda's gonna do is put the rice, and we're gonna tear the chicken, just tear it in strips, kind of like the beef in the other videos, and you just dip it in the spicy and eat. And then of course you put a little spice in the rice, and then the rice doesn't taste so vanilla.
This one inside chicken and egg.
Oh, that's the chicken egg.
Yeah, egg.
Oh.
Yeah.
Now, how is it in the pot? Has it got a shell?
This one and you know, when the egg and chicken like this, like small egg, it's not born, but the people kill him come to cook like the barbecue.
So it has a baby chicken inside.
Okay, this one and spicy.
Spicy sauce.
And then can I show you? Wow, make me hungry now. Very good. And amazing. Okay, when it egg.
The egg, oh boy. Okay, here goes the egg. Get ready. Hold her beer while she eats this.
Yeah, big mouth. This one is chicken. Okay. Mmm. Very good.
Big mouth. She does love the chicken eggs. We're waiting for the chicken to cool down because it's straight off the barbecue and it's super freaking hot right now. So yeah, we're gonna just have some of our other little fried goodness there we got with the onions and drink some Cambodia while we were waiting for this chicken to cool off a little bit because it is freaking hot. One of the things I love about being married to Linda as a Khmer woman is she's always got food coming to my face. If she's eating and I'm not, she's putting food in my face. And whenever I sit down to eat, she's taking the chicken right now, getting it ready. Look at this, guys.
With the chicken and spicy and dry. Keep for my baby husband. Okay, come on.
Okay, here we go. Oh wow,
Yeah,
not good. Oh, delicious.
Yeah.
Cambodia chicken. Okay, I'm gonna try the chicken egg now that she already tried with the intestine, and yeah, let's just get it over with. I got the Cambodia ready for a chaser because sometimes you just need a chaser, you know. Okay, let's see.
This one egg.
Oh my God, here we go.
Hot.
I'm speechless. It's definitely an acquired taste. Oh, American Badang here in Cambodia eating these chicken intestine eggs. Okay, yeah, I can say I've tried. They're not horrible, but it's one of the many things when you come here, you're gonna get an acquired taste for it because it's not for everybody. But if you try it, it's really not bad. But like I said, ice cold Cambodia makes everything better. So yeah. Tell them what it is.
Like this one and spicy, also like the same mango. Yeah, when you eat with the chicken, very good, and with the fish also, very good. But I give to my husband, he try because he never tried this one before. Now he live in Cambodian, but I want he try everything.
So what she says is got mango, spicy, some fish, some minced fish, and what else? Mango, chopped up, diced up mango, some diced up fish, minced fish,
With the chicken.
and spicy with chicken. Oh, this is gonna be great. Oh, I can't do more. Oh.
It's spicy, yeah?
No, just. Oh, oh my God. Oh, it's got the same. Oh, the undertone that you get from the butter hawk. It's not butter hawk, but it's got the same. I don't know how to say. I just think of a dirty pond or dirty river, but it's got like very gamey. But I can see where if you eat it long enough, you might enjoy it. And if you're raised here, of course, you absolutely will love it. But wow, I might have to wait on that one to try again. But I did try it once, so I'm trying all kinds of new things today. So yeah, it got the mussels.
I need power when I eat this one. I eat this one and oyster make me power.
I would think that the mussels would go good with some red wine, like a combination. Like sometimes cheese and crackers are good with the red wine, but I would think these would be a great little appetizer or just an hors d'oeuvre, hanging out with friends, family, a little mussel with the spicy. Just so you guys know, it's $8 total for everything we got was $8 US. So what a bargain. I got a few beers and some really great food. And Linda, of course, ran into an old friend that she hasn't seen that moved to Switzerland, Khmer woman. And so it's kind of been nice. Can't go anywhere with her that she doesn't know somebody, so including other countries. So I got a full stomach. Linda's got a full stomach. And we are going to go look for some more squirt guns for the Khmer New Year. We're still hunting for those. I don't know why this year she says they're very, very small, but we have not found but 2 so far. We still need 2 more. So with that being said, when you guys are on 60 Road, we'll leave a link below for this place here. Try the street food. You're gonna love it. And be brave. Try everything, at least once. because next time it's safe travels from Mahoney Travels. We will see you guys in the next video. Ciao. We'll see you guys. Be well.